You ain't talking
You're
to
on
you.
video.
Oh, Lord. Are y'all gonna eat a burger?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
We're going with you
We're
afterwards.
going wherever it is we're going.
Man, the burger makes it worth it.
Oh, I'm good right now. He was talking about Simon. Can't go very far. He's out of breath. I said, yeah, that's going to be me. What do you do?
I'm the partner of Idaho Harvard.
Ah. Pretty kid in the candy store. He told me.
She antagonizes me.
Yeah.
Nobody listens to me.
Tighten up. Is you on camera?
I'm glad y'all came. Should have brought Memphis. Let her have Memphis. She'll drag you through too. Guarantee you. You gotta watch him going down the hill. She'll drag you. Yeah, you go right here. Take a look. Yeah. Friendly? Oh, yeah. Buddy. Hopefully it gets worse.
Look at that. Look out.
Yeah, it's the same as that one, but yeah.
All right, we'll go. Go.
Y'all want to go over?
Don't matter to me.
It really is the same, it's just a little higher.
We ain't got nothing but time.
So whatever y'all want to do.
He's at, the doctor's at,
I ain't worried about that.
Schooling up the rattlesnakes, huh? This looks like a likely place to see. Yeah, I've been a lot of places where they say there's a lot of them. I haven't yet seen one. I know. Go to the creek. All right.
Ready? Do it to it.
Right here is where Memphis comes in handy.
He pull you up the hill.
Pull you up the hill. Oh boy. Woo! Tough on old people.
out here in the shade looking for food.
There's a safe spot where we can rest. And they don't know when they go out with the car. I think that's pretty with that bridge over there.
Mm-hmm.
You know that road you came up in here on? You can take that on all the way over into Rexburg. The back way to Rexburg.
Hiking up the Heise. Nice little hike. Don't fall backwards.
Oh. Woo. Oh. Y'all think?
She can't breathe.
That's fine. Who's that?
I'll pull you.
Going or staying?
I want to go, but I feel like my shoes are too slippery.
I mean,
I
yeah,
have
but,
Walmart shoes on.
yeah, but also all depends on how you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Start to move it.
Oh. Rip my arm open.
Just about made as far as you can go without any boots.
Yeah. I'm done. I'm done.
You're done back there.
Going down's gonna be tough.
You done got blood on the side of your face now.
I do.
Yeah, it gets way worse the further up you go.
Oh, hey, Colby. He's just waiting here. Probably thing to do is just go sit on your butt and slide.
If you don't have good grip, it might be the easiest thing to do.
Come in. Back up, come on, sprint. Is it Ada?
That's what we're all doing. Maybe it gets deep.
Whoa!
You alright?
Yeah.
Worry about standing with your feet on. I ain't falling.
You have grip.
I know, but the thing is, if you go where I go, if you fall, you're going to have to go through me before you fall.
You fall again? We're good.
I got those $130 hunting boots. But these little $50 Walmart boots, whole lot more comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, for a bit. She just was with me.
Last time I went that high, I had hiking boots. It's just treacherous.
Yeah, you gotta get on all fours on that one.
Oh, yeah.
It's bad.
Is it worth it?
It's a pretty good view. Yeah, it's pretty cool. If you stay up there for a bit, I'd say it's worth it. Yeah.
We're up there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we saw. Never mind. I'll stop it there. I was gonna say an older woman, but it's not.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
An older one?
Cougar, yeah.
No, he's not
We're going that way.
Not cat.
an older woman.
Yeah.
This conversation.
And bleeding on his arm and his face.
It's good up there. It's fine.
Hey, you guys are careful.
This helping.
For nearly 60-year-old, is it?
No, no, you done all right.
Go falling down.
Yeah, it's nice.
Memphis' second favorite spot.
Let's keep that healthy.
It's warm. We haven't even been on. We're taking you on stuff that we've been on.
Yeah.
So right there, right past the creek, there's a trail heading up. There's another one I think right here.
Yeah, this would be a fun little thing to do, to come grab a few different trails.
Oh yeah. And I'm sure this whole line of mountains going that way is just full of trails.
Right.
Those are the ski areas right up here, right?
Uh-huh.
Y'all been to it?
I have not. This is the first time I've been in this area.
When we go get the hamburger, we'll pass it up. We'll go see the ski area and then come back and eat.
Okay.
It's about 5 minutes past the restaurant. It ain't as pretty as Alabama, but it'll do.
Ain't as pretty as Alabama, huh?
It ain't as pretty as Louisiana.
Well,
Louisiana swamp. I think it's fair to say that the Snake River is cleaner up here than it is down in Twin Falls.
yes.
I think so too.
Yes, absolutely.
Down there, it's murky.
Uh-huh.
It's crystal clear.
Yeah.
On
Here.
the way out, well, there's a place where you can walk right up to the river.
Yeah, it's clear here, but you get down there, Twin Falls area. I've been on
murky.
Twin Falls with a boat, and I mean, you got trash floating all in the water down there. So yeah, definitely clearer here.
Oh my goodness. That's a good little workout. Are you tired?
No,
Your legs? Okay.
no, I'm good.
My knees.
But you gotta understand though, we do this every year, and we're up and down these mountains.
Then she got there.
That water is freezing.
Well, I don't know about the
They're freezing.
I mean, the roller coaster. I think it's
That water is cold.
That water's cold.
it's not that big of a deal.
Go and take your clothes off and get in there, and you'll change your mind.
You didn't told you.
Won't that leave?
Well, I started this time on the morning, like the
Smile, you're on candid camera.
something.
Get in front of me and I'll get you falling.
Please come behind me.
I think I got Brother Brouillette falling. This is right back down where we was at. This is right back down where we was at. That boy sounds like Andrew.
Hello.
How you doing?
When you're sitting there watching Cody or whatever, it was hard to keep it on my head because I didn't always have my head looking where I wanted to look. I was looking around.
Yeah.
And I want something I can set with the camera that have legs that I can hold it in my hand when I'm walking.
Well, we made it down.
But yeah, if I had that selfie stick, I think.
There's something down my shirt.
Well, we're in the car. We're done. We're out. Now it's time to go eat.
Go around here.
Got this little bug pulling out. Smile. Where do you say he was taking us?
Somewhere to like a ski resort. And
Oh,
then
ski area.
back to the restaurant.
Go inside.
Yeah, looks like we're going to eat.
Y'all want to sit outside or inside?
It doesn't matter to me. Outside, inside, it don't matter.